Hi guys, this is Jessica from the Healing Hands Duo, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your couch using none other than baby wipes. As you all know, I'm a fanatic about not using any toxic chemicals in your house to clean your house. So I'm always trying to find alternative ways to clean my house using non-toxic ingredients that you can either find in your kitchen or something like baby wipes to clean your white leather couch. I have had my leather couch for approximately 7 years now, and it is really starting to show its age because it is extremely dirty. And I think most of it is, of course, just the oils from our skin, as well as people sitting on it periodically over time with their pants and getting dirt onto it. And I've actually just, you know, over the years just wiped it down with water. I know that you can buy entire kits to actually clean and condition your couch, but when I've looked through some of those ingredients, I was like, you know what, I don't really want all this stuff on my couch because I'm gonna be laying on it, I'm gonna have my face on it, and you know, just not into it. So I've been looking for an alternative way to clean your couch, and I actually saw this on another YouTube channel, which was great. So I'm gonna give this a shot today, and I'm gonna use some baby wipes. In this case, again, I've looked into a lot of children's products, and unfortunately, a lot of children's products out there are quite toxic as well, which is why I chose to go with an organic baby wipe and something that had low amounts of alcohol in it and other toxic ingredients, which I will list somewhere on the screen and let you know what to avoid when trying to purchase baby wipes or any baby products for that matter, because for some reason it's kind of weird and a little scary, but sometimes children's products seem to be worse than adult products, especially when it comes to personal hygiene products. So like I said, I will list that somewhere, like up here, over there, I don't know. I'm still very new to this, so it'll be somewhere on the screen, and if it's not there, it's gonna be down in the description below. However, like I said, I'm gonna clean the couch using baby wipes, and then I actually saw somebody else who said that you can actually, in fact, condition your couch using coconut oil. Okay, so here's my couch, and as you can see, I'm not sure how great this is gonna show up on camera, but as you can see, I think it's very clear as to where we like to both sit on this couch, and of course it would be this spot right here. That spot, I don't know what it is, but I guess everybody's got their favorite place on the couch. And then right there, there's just like a big brown spot right there, and that's where we like to plant our butts most of the nights. So I'm gonna try to remove that. I'm gonna try and zoom in here so that I can just show you how dirty this in fact is. So you can see the leather is brown, when this used to be an off-white cream colored, well, sorry, an off-white couch, but you can see there that it's quite brown, it's dirty, it's very shiny, which is also an indication that there's tons of oils on your leather. I will clean it first and then do the coconut oil, but I'm sure the coconut oil will bring back a bit of a sheen, but I do want to condition this couch after, because as you can see here, I will try to zoom in. I'm already starting to experience some cracking on my couch because it's never been conditioned. And of course, this is my fault because leather does need to be conditioned. I would suggest probably doing it once a year. And like I said, I've had this couch for 7 and I've never done it once. So it is starting to crack and peel a little bit. So I'm hoping to stop that before it becomes too bad and becomes too much of an eyesore. I know Kevin likes to read and write on the couch, which drives me nuts because as you can see here too, I also have a pen mark right there, and there's some ink right there as well. So I'm thinking these, I've read that you can use nail polish remover, which kind of scares me. I have also read that you can use probably any type of alcohol. So I might just, and it's really weird, I know I've probably said this before, and if I haven't made a video on this yet, I will, but I like to clean my quartz with using vodka and a combination of other things, which I will show you what that combination is in another video. Okay, so here are the ones that I picked up. Okay, the reason why I picked up these ones is because, like I said, there's 80 pieces, it's a refill pack, so there's quite a bit of them in there. The other thing is there's no chlorine in here, which is, we're huge advocates about not having chlorine in anything, any of the products that I use. You see soft and gentle. We went with the unscented one, and then we got the one with aloe vera and vitamin E to help condition the leather as well. So let's open up this baby. If I can do this with one hand. Let's take one of those. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna start on that middle section right here, just because it seems to be the spot that's like the most dirty. So anyway, I heard you're gonna have to scrub it quite a bit. So let's see. Okay, so I've actually in fact finished cleaning this spot, and as you can see, it worked amazingly. You do have to put a little bit of elbow grease into it, but as you can see, most of that shine is gone, which is amazing. And remember I said that I wanted to try and get it as white as this section here, because this section was more, like considerably whiter than this section. And it's really weird, because if you look side by side, this is actually even cleaner than that. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue cleaning the rest of the couch. I'm just kind of concerned because it does feel a little bit sticky in comparison to other areas, but like I said, this is probably a lot more shinier and smooth just because of the fact that there's so many oils on there. But it's weird because the leather actually feels sticky. So I'm a little bit concerned that it's drying it out a little bit, but like I said, I'll go over it after and condition it up with some, you know, like, I think that you could even do this with probably aloe vera, but I probably use the coconut oil and see how that goes. But like I said, amazing, like absolutely amazing. I did try to start scrubbing at some of those pen marks, so I am gonna have to use something different because they did not come out. Thank you, Kevin. I will let you know what I ended up using in order to take those out, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean the rest of this couch. Okay guys, so here's the final result. The couch has been completely clean with the baby wipes. I actually went through and I put a layer of coconut oil on there, and what I just did was I actually just applied it at room temperature. In this case, it was actually solid. And then I went through with another cloth just to wipe down some of the sheen. And I just actually want to show you something else because I didn't end up using the nail polish remover because actually I was too afraid to use it on the leather. But I did use a little bit of hairspray. And if you can remember, in this area here, I can't even see it anymore. It was, I believe, right here. There used to be a pen mark and one over here as well. And if you could see, there's still a slight bit of shadow from the pen mark there, but the hairspray worked absolutely amazing. I only really sprayed it on there and left it there for like literally a couple of seconds and started to rub away at it with a Q-tip and completely gone. So there you have it. There's cleaning your couch with baby wipes, conditioning it with coconut oil, and if you have any ink marks on there, I had a blue ballpoint pen ink mark on there. I used hairspray to remove it. Hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and have a good one. Bye!